What's the meaning of blue chip? Blue chip. Blue chip.
Blue chip. Blue chip. The term blue chip originally referred to the highest value poker chips which were traditionally colored blue. Today, it is often used to describe companies that have a long history of financial stability, consistent profits, and a reputation for quality management. Blue chip companies are usually large, established firms with a strong market position and tend to be leaders in their respective industries. They typically have a proven track record of paying dividends to shareholders and are seen as reliable investments. Because of their reputation and stability, blue chip stocks are often considered to be less risky than other types of investments, making them popular choices for investors seeking a dependable return on their investment.